Welcome to Uptime.com and our video tutorial on configuring the Real User Monitoring check. Setting up a RUM check is no different than setting up any other Uptime.com check. Begin by navigating to your main checks page and select Add a new check, then select Real User Monitoring from the Check Type drop-down menu. Real User Monitoring uses real sessions to show how a site performs against its baseline. The domain field, the aggregation, and the apdex threshold are the only mandatory fields to configure aside from naming your check and adding a contact. If you enter your domain, the rest of the configurations will default to median aggregation and the industry apdex standard. RUM works by entering an HTML code snippet before your site's closing body tag. To retrieve the code snippet, enter your URL, you can click Save. There are many opportunities for custom configurations that will influence your RUM reporting, beginning with your apdex or Application Performance Index threshold, which is an open standard for measuring performance. Performance is broken down into satisfied users, tolerating users who may abandon your site, and frustrated users who will likely abandon. The frustrated users are greater than 4 multiplied by the number you designate in your check setup threshold. The industry standard default of 4,000 milliseconds is equal to a maximum of 16 seconds, which is the most frustrated data categorization for a user. Next is aggregation. Our default is to aggregate by the median of your dataset, or middle number in the set, after the numbers have been arranged from least to greatest. This helps provide a snapshot of a data series that is less sensitive to outliers that might skew results. There are also additional settings for your RUM check that can be found under the Tracking and SLA option. These options will allow you to exclude user agents and bots who could inflate your user metrics, allow external domains, name URLs to group for reporting, the option to exclude URL query parameters, and the option to disable AJAX tracking. When you are done configuring your check, click Save, and you will be given the HTML snippet, which must be copied and pasted before your site's closing body tag in order to collect data. This completes our overview of RUM check configuration. For more information on RUM reporting, check out the rest of our video library, our extensive support documentation linked in the description below, or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.